Today I'm going to be showing you how to make raspberry jam using frozen berries. So you're going to need frozen raspberries, caster sugar and lemon juice, and what you're going to do is you're going to put them into a pan and leave them to stand for about an hour or overnight so that the berries can start to defrost. Once they have defrosted, you are going to be heating them on a low heat until the sugar is dissolved. So you want to put them on over a low heat and then stir them occasionally to ensure that the sugar is dissolving. You are also, for testing for readiness, you can also place a couple of small plates into the freezer so that they are chilled. And if you are going to put your jam in a jar, if you're not using it all for the recipe, you're going to need to sterilise your jars. So you're just going to put your jars into the oven for a short amount of time on 100 degrees C. So if you put them in the oven until your jam is ready on 100 degrees C, that will sterilise them and prevent any bacterial growth once your jam is ready. So once you have dissolved all of the sugar, you are then going to turn up the heat on your jam and you are going to bring it to a rapid boil. This rapid boil is going to get the pectins to be released from the fruits, and obviously we need the correct sugar and acidity for that to happen. And these pectin molecules and pectin chains will form a gel network once your jam is set. So what we need to do is we need to get our jam to a rapid boil of 105 degrees Celsius for these pectins to work properly. So you can either use the jam thermometer, or I'm just using a normal thermometer as well. But if you've not got any of them, that's why we need the plates in the freezer so that they're chilled, and that is when you'll do the wrinkle test. So to do the wrinkle test, you pop a small spoonful of jam onto a plate and then push your finger through to see if it wrinkles, and once that happens, that is when your jam is ready. So mine's not quite there, so it just needs to keep having that rapid boil to check to see when it's ready. Once your jam is ready, you will need to turn off the heat and leave it to cool for about 10 minutes, which is when it will set. You can then transfer it to your sterilised jar, or just into a bowl if you're going to use it into a recipe, and your jam is ready.